Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are quickly going to see how to enable Apple logo on your Apple Watch face in just few easy to follow steps. As you can see that I have enabled the Apple logo on few watch faces, and I must tell you that it is not possible to enable it on all the watch face. We are going to enable it only with the compatible watch faces. Open the watch application on your iPhone and navigate to clock settings and scroll down a bit to navigate to monogram section. By default, you may be seeing some character entered like M, L or something. You have to delete it and switch to Gboard if you have installed Gboard. Otherwise, you can open Google application and search for Apple logo emoji. Here from the first search result, I have copied the Apple logo. You can of course use any special character or any emoji with a simple Google search, and you can copy and paste it by coming back to the watch application clock monogram section. When you go back, you can see that the monogram that I have pasted it is right there, and inside you can see the instruction clearly that this will work only with typograph, infograph, meridian, California and color watch faces. So it is not possible to use the monogram feature in other watch faces. You can set the watch faces that is compatible with the monogram directly from the face gallery, or by going to your watch application you can select that specific watch face and you need to swipe through the complications to change to to enable the monogram, which we have configured in our iPhone watch application as Apple logo. And you will be seeing the list of complications that you can select from, and whichever you choose, it will be set on your watch face. So here I'm going to choose my personalization of the monogram Apple logo, and it will be set successfully. So that is all. And for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.